What is a credit score and how do you improve it? There is a number attached to your name right now that banks, lenders and landlords can see, and it directly affects whether you get approved for things and what interest rate you're offered. That number is your credit score. By the end of this video you'll know exactly what it is and the specific steps that move it in the right direction. Welcome back to Money Learn HQ. Today we're covering credit scores, one of the most misunderstood topics in personal finance. Let's get straight into it. What is a credit score? Your credit score is a number that represents how reliable you are as a borrower. It's calculated by credit reference agencies. In the UK there are three: Experian, Equifax and TransUnion. Each uses a slightly different scoring system, which is why your score can look different depending on where you check it. That's completely normal. You can check yours for free. ClearScore shows your Equifax score. Credit Karma shows your TransUnion score. Experian has its own free service. Checking it yourself does not affect it. That is one of the most common myths we need to put to bed right now. Why does it matter? Your credit score is checked when you apply for a credit card, loan, mortgage or car finance. A higher score means lower risk in a lender's eyes, better chance of approval and a lower interest rate. A lower score can mean rejection or a much higher rate. It also comes up when renting a property, taking out a phone contract and in some cases when applying for jobs in financial services. It's referenced at more points in your life than most people expect. What affects it? Payment history is the biggest factor by far. Paying every bill and credit commitment on time every month builds your score. One missed payment can stay on your file for 6 years. Credit utilization is second. This is the percentage of your available credit you're using. Keep it below 30%. If your credit card limit is £1,000, don't carry more than £300 on it at any time. Electoral roll registration is one of the simplest wins. Being registered to vote at your current address confirms your identity to lenders and immediately improves your score. If you're not registered, do it today at gov.uk/register-to-vote. 5 minutes, completely free. Length of credit history matters. The longer your accounts have been open and managed well, the better. Think twice before closing old accounts. New credit applications leave a mark. Every application triggers a hard search on your file. Multiple applications in a short period looks bad. Space them out and only apply when you genuinely need to. How to improve it? Register on the electoral roll immediately if you haven't already. Set up direct debits for at least the minimum payment on every credit account so you never accidentally miss a payment. Get a credit builder card if you have little or no credit history. Use it for one small purchase a month and pay it off in full every month. You'll build a clean payment history without ever paying interest. After 12 months your score will have moved noticeably. Keep utilization below 30% at all times. Check your credit report for errors. Incorrect addresses, payments wrongly marked as missed, accounts you don't recognize. These are more common than people think and can be disputed and corrected directly with the credit reference agency. Be patient. With consistent habits, most people see meaningful improvement within 3 to 6 months. Go and check your credit score for free on ClearScore or Credit Karma right now. Just knowing your starting point is the first step. Drop your score range in the comments: excellent, good, fair or poor. No judgment, just data. Subscribe to Money Learn HQ for a new video every week. Next up, we're covering how to use a credit card correctly to build your score fast without ever paying interest. See you there. To recap, your credit score tells lenders how reliable you are as a borrower. Improve it by registering to vote, paying everything on time, keeping utilization below 30%, getting a credit builder card if you need one, and checking your report regularly for errors.